때까지 미안할 것 같아요. Even when the rain stops, I could feel it follow me.